Welcome back, everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're actually going to be talking about something that if you have a new Ram truck, you have to get this. And I'll explain why in just a second. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, help stay small channel out, thumbs up, and notification bell. So, some of these newer vehicles actually come without a gas cap or a fuel cap. We'll just say gas cap. So, Ram, if you look in here, they actually don't provide anything except for your diesel hole and of course your DEF cap. Now here's the thing, you're going to say, well, I don't have one on my gas car, I don't have a fuel cap. And so here's the thing, guys, diesel is super greasy, and it attracts lots of dust. And so imagine filling up, pulling out the fuel filler, and it drips diesel on that little cap, it collects dust. Next time you shove it back in, scrape that dust right down into your fuel tank. And yes, you have filters that'll do it, but why would you want to introduce any garbage to your fuel system? Now, gas is a little bit different. Gas will evaporate. It's not greasy. It won't collect stuff. Now, you can still get dust on there, but if they made a fuel cap for a fuel capless system, I would put one on it. And this, guys, like I said, this says diesel only, so you can't confuse it. And then you can also buy a set with an aluminum one for these. So I guess if this one started cracking or broke or you lost it somehow, this one doesn't. This one actually has a little holder on it, so you can do that. Now, Banks makes one, and I do like Banks products, but I'm not spending $100 because I'm going to drop this thing, and more than likely there's a possibility that me or somebody else that might fuel my truck might actually leave it on the gas pump, and I'd rather much lose 20 bucks versus 100. So I'm going to link that down below on Amazon. They make many different ones on there, so you can pick a different one if you would like. If you have your original plastic cap from the factory, they actually put a dust cover cap in there. But a lot of times when during the PDI or your salesman fuels it or the lot techs fuel it, they chuck it. And hypothetically, it's okay to run without it. I just wouldn't. Now, for the few of you that the opportunity to be this close to your DEF and you're in a hurry or whatever and you put DEF in your tank, this will slow your ass down too. So all I could say is if you're putting DEF in, make it a DEF only procedure. Unless you're out on the road and you're trying to buy DEF from the pump, which I don't like to do, because there's no way to mistake it. If you just buy it in the damn box and put it in there, you get better DEF. You don't get all the crystalline crap that's on the pump, and do that. So, but this will slow you down from putting DEF in your tank because it's an overt movement to take that cap off. Without the cap, it's never happened to me. It will never happen to me. I'll guarantee you that, because that shit's expensive. If you dump anything in your diesel tank other than diesel or a diesel like additive, and I'm just not into paying extra money for my screw ups. So I like the cap for multiple different reasons. I put it on there to, one, keep the dust and dirt out there, two, prevent anybody that might be going to put fuel in my truck and think, wouldn't it be great if I topped off as DEF? It's a possibility, not a high probability. As always, guys, make sure you check out that link down below. If you have a Ram, get a cap for it. Catch you on the next one.